What up, YouTube? It's the Ways, and I'm Tia, and today we're back with another video. I'm really excited about this video. I have some brand new products that I want to play in. I got the new Hourglass Ambient Foundation. I got the new Charlotte Tilbury Concealer. I got a Tom Ford palette that I want to try out their formula. I got the new Fenty Eavesdrop Lid. A lot of different products. Some are brand new, some are not, but I just want to play in some makeup. I'm going on a little date or whatever. So I figured I'd bring you guys along to get ready with me. So I bought way too much and we're going to play in our makeup. So if you want to see this look and see what I come up with on this date night, I bought way too much, let's play in our makeup type of vibes, then definitely please keep watching. But first, during the intro, go ahead and subscribe if you're not part of the fam gang, and hit that notification bell so you can be updated every time I load new videos. So, let go. All right, y'all, I brought you a little closer. As you can tell, I already have my brows on. Okay, I went in with the MVP of brows, in my opinion, one of them, which is the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics. This is number 5. I went ahead and filled in my brows as it is not a new product, okay? But what we are going to do is I'm going to do a voiceover. I just want to play my makeup. I'll let you know how I feel about the products during the voiceover, as it's something I do secondary. But I just want to play my makeup and get ready and be on time, because you know how Mr. Waye is. Oh, that Virgo vibes. And do our makeup and have fun. So I'm going to listen to some music. I'm going to start on my eyes and start this voiceover. First, I'm going to go in with my MAC Paint Pot in Contemplative State and prime my eyelids. This is great if you have oily lids, keep your makeup on longer, or even if you just want to even out your eyelid if you're not putting on shadow. I went all the way up to the brow bone, as I'm not going to clean up my brows with concealer, and this just makes it look smooth and seamless and ready for eyeshadow application. So for the eyeshadow look, I picked up this quad by Tom Ford. It's so sleek. It's called 29 Desert Fox, and I just love the packaging. It comes with 4 shades, very neutral tones. Came with 2 applicators. Not ever gonna use those, okay? But I love how simple and easy this palette looks. I'm gonna go into the top shade. There are no color names for this palette, but it is the most neutral shade, mid-tone shade in this palette, and I'm just working that into my crease, seeing what the payoff is like. It kind of has a little bit of a terracotta vibe, undertone to it, which I kind of like, and we're just building that up in the crease and just trying to lay that color down. The color story is very simple and to the point. Not much to it. I had my husband pick out one of my quads from the top 4 quads that I picked up, and this is the one he picked, the most boringest one of all. But it's okay. It was okay. It was perfect for where we were going and what I was wearing. So now I'm going to go into the lightest shade at the top, and I'm just going to blend that out along my brow bone, so that way it blends in with that mid-tone shade in my crease, and just so we have a really seamless blend and highlight the brow bone with a matte color. Doing that on the other side as well. So it was a nice little find. I got these Tom Ford quads at the cosmetics store for hecka cheap. I think I got it for like $25. Just going back in with that mid-tone shade to kind of blend that all through. Then we're gonna go into the shimmer, which is this gold in the corner. It's like a metallic type of shade, not so sparkly and shimmery. We're just throwing that all over the lid, kind of blending it up into the crease so it meets with that mid-tone shade. With this shadow, I mean, it's a very bougie, like, okay, Not really gonna get the sparkle and shine that you'll get from an indie shadow, but for our vibe, for this look, it worked. Gonna go back into the mid-tone shade just to reinforce that color in the crease. Make sure everything is blended, the shimmer's blended into the crease, and everything just flows through the eyes. We kind of have a layered effect going on: shimmer, matte, and highlight shade, and that's that on the eyes. Next, we're gonna go in with some black eyeliner, and this is a liquid eyeliner from Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Color Ink, and it is in matte charcoal 01. It is a very black. It's a very thin felt tip liner. It looks like a brush, but it is a felt tip liner. Like I said, it does dry matte. It is really easy to maneuver and glide across the eye. I just kept it very simple for this look, just lining the shape of my eye. It is 24 hours and it is waterproof. Did a little wing on the end there just to shape the eye up. But yes, kind of kept it very sophisticated and elegant on this look. I was excited. Got my eyeliner on, dancing a little bit. Oh, no. You know, I had to give you a little bit of a dance move or whatever. So next we're going to go ahead and just set our brows. And this is the NYX, the brow glue. And my brows have been sitting for a minute from the pencil, Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. So I'm just going in, feathering them up a little bit, keeping them in place as I am going out, and I don't want them to move. But I love this gel. It definitely keeps your brows in place. They get hard, but not like crunchy. I love this brow gel. I love the spoolie, how small it is and easy to feather out the brows. I was really excited to use this next product. This is by Fenty Beauty. It is the Ease Drop Lit All Over Glow Enhancer, and I got it in Taffy Topaz. I'm just putting this all over one half of the face so you can kind of see the difference. When I bought this product, I thought it was a glow from within type of product, and that's pretty much what it is. It's really pretty. There are 4 shades. I went with number 2 as I kind of like a little bit brighter than a champagne type of highlight. That's just my preference, but there are different colors. Just look how it glows. It just makes your skin look healthy. It's very lightweight. It's very sheer. There's not coverage to it. It just gives you a lit from within type of glow. There's before and there's after. Yes. So I really like that. I thought it was really pretty. You can use it under your makeup, before your makeup. Just let you know I went in with the Watermelon Ice and my Dewdrops as my primer beforehand. Just evening out my face, but you can put it on before, after your makeup. You could wear it alone. I just thought it was really pretty and it blended out effortlessly, and I'm so glad that I got it. I was like, do I need this? As I had the Charlotte Tilbury filter one, but this is just different to me and I really like it. I went in with the fiber brush by Sigma, which is the F55, to blend this out, but you could totally do it with your fingers. So I went ahead and got 2 new brushes from Rare Beauty. One is the concealer brush, which I'm going to use for this part of the concealer application. I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. This is the first time me using it at this particular time. I've used it multiple times since then. And this is in Tan 11. I'm just putting it on half of my face so you're able to kind of see the difference and how it performs. I can let you know I really like this concealer. Probably one of my favorite this year so far that I've tried, or that came out brand new this year that I've actually tried. I haven't tried too many. Only a couple really caught my eye, and this was one. You can see how smooth and easy it is to blend. The brush is smaller, so it does take a little bit more time. I've really been enjoying this concealer. I love the tone. I love the texture. So easy to blend. And yeah, one of my faves. Next, I went ahead and picked up the foundation brush by Waye Beauty, and we're going in with the Ambiance Soft Glow Foundation by Hourglass, and I am in the color 14.5. Yes, I was jamming out, but we were shaking up the foundation. I got a little pump and a half or so. We're gonna put it on half of the face. I warmed it up in the hand on the brush, and we're just applying it. I think I did very, very good on the color for sure. This brush is nice. I mean, I love the way I can apply it and it kind of like smooths around the face. I like the shape of the brush. I just don't really like when it clean it, how it forms back. I mean, it still works good, but that's one thing about it I'm not really feeling, but the price point is good. So if it didn't go back to shape, I could always buy a new one and I wouldn't be so upset or anything. But look how that foundation is just blending in with everything. It looks so good. It's a medium to a full coverage, natural finish foundation. I'm just cleaning up with my concealer brush a little bit. It gives a nice healthy glow to the skin without looking greasy. I swear this was my first time using it and I was shooketh. I went ahead and evened out my skin and this is the final result. Love it. That foundation was the truth, but let's warm up our face a little bit with some bronzer. This is my NARS Cream Bronzer in Laguna 04. This is the MVP of cream bronzers, let me tell you. Yes, I don't even have to speak much on it. You'll be able to see how easily it blends out. I use the same brush that I use for my foundation to blend out this bronzer. Just hitting my normal spots that I would. Very subtle, nothing too like precise, just kind of like get it where I want it and blend it out, and it looks so natural, so beautiful. I love this bronzer and I'm so glad that I was able to find my color. So after the bronzer, I threw on these lashes. I have no idea where I got them. Well, I know where I got them. I don't know if you can't get them. I got them from TJ Maxx and they were so pretty, but I figured for going out, throw on some lashes. I normally don't do that. I'm just, after I put them on, just adding a little mascara so they'll mesh well with my lashes. And this, I had a little sample from Maybelline, the Lash Sensational mascara. Nothing too special, but just wanted to mesh those together. So that's what we're doing here. I like putting my mascara on after my lashes. So I'm going into this powder by OPV Beauty London, loose setting powder in a medium, just to set underneath my eyes. First time I used it, I thought it blurred so well. I love the tone. It is mattifying, but it's not overly matte. I did set my whole face this time because I was going out and I didn't want to have any disruption in my makeup. I wanted everything to just look flawless, and I didn't want to get oily or anything. So I really just set all over my face lightly. And I really like this powder. I've used it a couple times since then and I thoroughly actually enjoy it. I have a OPV palette that I want to try and bring to you guys, but it is a black owned brand out of the UK. So yeah. Then I picked back up the Tom Ford quad and went into the darkest color just to smoke out my under eye. And then I took the gold color and used that as an inner corner highlight and just wrapped that all the way around the eye on the bottom part to meet the darker tone shadow. And then I threw on some bottom mascara to finish that up. Then I went into this blush by Benefit. Come through Benefit on this blush. This is Butterfly. Look at that orange though. I had this for a minute and this is my first time actually putting it on, but yes, look at that color. I love me a good orange blush. And this one has a little orange, gold, yellow. Fire. That's from their new collection where they brought out tons of new colors for their blush line. And honestly, before they were lacking in darker skin tones. Now I think they kind of came through and you have a lot more variety, but this one was my favorite and I had to get it, and I'm so excited. I love the way it looked with this eye look. I did set my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Filter Spray. I think that's what it's called. Just because I want to ensure my makeup stayed all night and lasted throughout the date. For my lips, I went in with this liquid lipstick by The Lip Bar, and it's called Savage. I was like so surprised how small it was. I couldn't believe it. This is a Black-owned brand sold at Target. I heard so many good things about it, so I really wanted to try it out. It took me a while because they were so expensive, and then look how small it is. Like, I couldn't believe it. I think they're like $16. I said this better be the best liquid lipstick ever. Yeah, it's a beautiful color. I love the way it completed my look, but spoiler, nah. I don't think it's worth it. I really don't think it's worth it for a liquid lipstick. My lips were dry by the end of the night. Had to put on gloss. Hot mess. Abort. To wrap up this look, I went in with the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Toasted Swirl Bronze Shimmery Powder. Look at how pretty that is. So pretty. Just to give myself a glow. This is the lightest one out of the two, and this is in Chocolate Swirler. I just highlighted my skin so we could glow or whatever. I love this stuff. I've fallen in love with it. So pretty. Okay, so the video was disrespectful and cut off on me when I was doing my highlight, but I just finished off with the Fenty highlighter. Let me tell you this, if you want one, go get you one on Sephora half off. Now, this is the finished look. I'm loving this natural vibes. Okay, I'm wearing all black. This is not what I'm wearing, but this is going to be an all black type of situation. I have to go. I'm just going to tell you a couple standouts in this look. The foundation. The foundation is looking beautiful. I love the palette for its naturalness, fastness. Oh my goodness. Can I just say that I am in love with this blush by Benefit called Butterfly. Yes. I really love the Fenty Lit From Within highlighter. Like, this is everything. I like these lashes I have on. That's the only reason why I put them on. But you can't buy them. I bought them at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. But those are a few standouts so far. I was just looking at my face. But I am loving this look. I love that highlighter by Fenty as well. The concealer, nice. I used it and it did not crease. Like, that was amazing. So go ahead and like if you like this look. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not part of the Fam Gang. And go ahead and leave a comment on what you feel about this look, okay? It's natural vibes, not my norm. But, yeah, that was fun playing with those products. Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.